Now, formation of nouns from verbs. What is the rule? Words can be formed by change of the primary words as when forming nouns or adjectives or verbs, etc. What is the primary word? The verbs, the primary word, the first word, you'll have to change it from this to noun. Such words formed by making some changes to the spelling of a simple word are called primary derivatives. So what are the primary derivatives? So only by changing the spellings of the words we can make nouns, we can form nouns from verbs. So for example, this is a bond and this is bind. Here bond is a primary derivative formed by making some internal changes and we make the word bind. See, only O and I. There is change only in the spelling. Bond, I have signed a bond, and bind is a verb. Bind, he is bind to, he is bound to. Bind, bound. See, always one thing you need to remember, verb has three forms. First, that is the main word, main verb. Second, the past form. And the third, the participle. So, we see verbs have three forms. And what is this noun? How will you find the noun? Nouns are always you use articles when it is a singular. So when you use articles a and the, a or n, then you come to know, yeah, this is a noun and that is a verb. So verb has past form and past participle form, and nouns are known by or can be identified by seeing articles. So here you are seeing it's very easy to form nouns from verb. You will have to just see with a and the which word is suitable. With the examples later I will show it to you and it will become very easy for you to form noun from verb. Now, see, this is advise. He has advised me. See, advised, it has its past form and the participle form S-E-D. Advised. This is verb. It is understood. Advise. I need your advice. This is noun. See, advise, it's a noun. Only the spelling is changed. Here is a S, here is a C. And advise. So, you know, vowels, we use N. So, an advice is needed. An advice is needed. So, in this way, you can find the noun form of the word. So, it will be easier to write the noun form by placing articles. If by placing articles, you can find the nouns, then it's all correct. Now, accept. You know the past form of accept. What is the past form of accept? It's accepted. So, this is accepted. This is the past form. So, this is verb and now acceptance. Acceptance of someone. So, acceptance is a noun form and acceptance. So, and we use the article. Believe. Its past form, you know, believed. And this is belief. My belief. It's not believe. Okay. Only the spelling. This is E-V-E. This is F. Bleed. Bleed is verb. He bleeds. And blood. Blood bank. Blood. Right. choose. Choose, past form, chose. See, this is believed. Why I am writing the past form of the verb? So you can easily find the past form of verb, because the words that will be given will be many, and you need to find which one is verb and which one is noun. So if you find the past form of verb, so it will be easier to understand ki, yeah, this word is a verb and the word that I need to write is a noun. And in the noun, you will always place an article. If you place an article before the word, it will be easily understood whether the word is correct or not. Now believed and now my belief, or belief, or belief. See, article is there. And this is the past form. Bleed. Now, bleed, what is the past form of bleed? Bled. And now blood, blood is oozing, yeah, blood is flowing. So, blood is in shortage. In shortage. There is a shortage of blood, shortage of blood. So in this way you are seeing here blood is a noun. Now choose, you know what is the past form of choose? It's chose, chose, and here choice, my choice. Clear, cleared, and there clarity of the picture is very good. Developed, its past form is developed, and that is development. Die, it's a verb, and death is noun. So in this way you are seeing these are all verbs. You can make past and past perfect or past participle form of all these words, and there in nouns you can place articles so that these nouns can be identified. Again, few more examples. Educate, education. Enthuse, enthusiasm. Fly, flight. Free, freedom. Grow, growth. Grieve, grief. Hate, hatred. Heal, health. Chop, chip. Drink, draught. Sing, song. He sings a song. A song, we are placing articles before all the nouns. Wait, watch. Furnish, furniture. Shake, shock. Try, trial. Thief, theft. Now, there are few exceptions also where we don't change anything. It's the same. Approach, approach. Care, care. Challenge, challenge. Damage, damage. Force, force. Insult, insult. Speed, speed. Don't speed up. We may write an imperative sentence. Don't speed up. Here, speed we are using as a verb. Then, the speed of a car. The speed of a car should be controlled. You cannot drive car recklessly. Should be controlled. So see here the speed as a noun we have used and speed up as a verb we have used. So the word is the same. Force and force. Insult, insult. So these are few exceptions. There are many. There are many verbs and nouns. Their exceptions are there, and you will have to read it again and again and pay attention to that, because you don't write anything of your own. Now, adjectives. What are the adjectives? Adjectives are qualifying words. It qualifies noun and pronoun. So how will you find this word is an adjective? Adjectives always have degree of comparison. If you find positive, superlative, positive, comparative and superlative degrees, so it is easy to understand कि yeah, this word is an adjective. See here, able, more able, most able, active, more active, most active, brave, braver and bravest, certain. See here, able, you have degree of comparison in the adjective. Degree of comparison. So why I am saying this? These are the identification marks. So when you need to write adjective forms from the noun, you will have to find whether the word has a degree of comparison. 3 degrees are there or not. Suppose dense, denser, densest, free, freer, freest. तो इस तरह से you are seeing कि all type of third forms are here, degree of comparison. And here ability, activity, bravery, certainty, density, freedom, you don't have degree of comparison. Here you need to write an article, that is a, an or the. See, great, you know, greater and greatest. Now, if you get a word like greatness and someone says you to say a adjective form of this, so greatness, you can easily understand adjective. Great is a word which has degree of comparison. 3 degrees we have of great. So, great is the correct form. Now, from adjective we are making noun. So, you see here with the suffixes we are making the noun form. Ty. See the suffixes here. ERY. Here ty. Here ty. So, with the suffixes also we make nouns from the adjectives. Here also you see ness is here. Ness is here. Ty. Right? So with suffixes you can make nouns from adjectives. Happy, happier, happiest, and the noun form is happiness. High, higher, highest, and the noun form is height. The height of the building, a height of the building. So with an article you can understand, oh, high is there, so this is if this is an adjective, its noun form will be height. So honest, honesty, safe, safety, true, truth, vacant, vacancy, wise, wisdom. Abundant, here the spelling is only change. See, with the change in the spelling, we have make a new word, that is abundant, abundance, bankrupt, bankruptcy, compulsory, compulsion, calm, calmness, cowardly, cowardice, equal, equality, hard, hardship, hot, heat. Few more. Idle, idleness. Here again you are seeing suffixes. Ty. Ness. So in this way, by learning this, you are seeing the words which we can make through suffixes. You are learning 2 chapters together. First, formation of nouns from adjectives, and second, how with the suffixes you can use or you can make new words. So idle, idleness, lazy, laziness, local, locality, necessary, necessity, one, oneness, special, speciality, timid, timidity, and vacant, vacancy. So in this way you are seeing there are many adjectives from which you can make nouns, and lists are a very big list we have. So when you go through any piece of article, any chapter, any story, please find the adjectives and try to form its noun form also. So if you form noun from adjectives, it will become easier for you to be perfect in this art. And this you have to learn. The more you learn, the more you will be perfect, right? So in this session, we have learned how to form nouns from verb and adjective. In the next class, we will do something more, something different. By then, you just enjoy. Till then, you enjoy. Have a good practice. Revise it. And then be perfect in this art. Thank you.